You ready, babe?
This is 6 years in the making. Okay, story time. So in 2018, I did a thing that I've been thinking about for a really, really long time, and I started a business. This business was about doing something real, like really real and impactful and meaningful that would improve the lives of the people that I saw every day. So I got to work. I put my head down and I did what I needed to do. I'll be honest, entrepreneurship is hard. Going it alone is hard. It's really difficult and I struggled, but I showed up consistently. I kept showing up for my clients, I kept showing up for myself, I kept showing up for the business that I knew that I needed to build. And over the years, what I learned was that I could show up and work in a way that was way more authentic to me and more authentic to my clients. So today marks 6 years in business as a financial literacy agency, and I can honestly tell you, I have never had more fun in my life. I am so thrilled to formally be able to introduce you to my business. All I want to talk about is what I've been building and the results my clients have been seeing, and I want to answer all your questions and tell you more about my research. So please text me, message me. I can send you my website too. I can't wait to hear what you think.